Okay, wait, Karen. So, hello everybody. This is Karen on the spot, trying out the abs swing. Okay, let's see how many repetitions she can do. She's just like... Okay, some more, Karen, please. Ate Ging, it's your turn. Ate Ging, it's your turn. It is effective for the abs. If you do it like every day, for like 5 minutes a day, that's good. Hindi sige na. Okay lang din naman kung ilagay sa YouTube. Oh wait, bago ka magsimula, Ate Ging, let's do an interview with Karen. Karen, how did it feel? Was it like effective? Do you feel some burning done on your abs? Nothing was burned because you needed fire to burn something. Okay, now it's Ate Ging's turn. Okay, let's see how Ate Ging... Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's better. Yeah. Actually, Ate Ging, it would be better if you would prevent it from hitting the ground or the floor. Just keep it steady. Don't hit the floor. Yeah? Okay. Oh, no, don't rest on the floor. Just... Okay, that's right. Exactly, that's how to do it. You shouldn't let it sit on the floor. It's continuous. Okay, so how did it feel, girls? Gutom. Okay, Ate Ging said she's hungry after doing that. How about you, Karen?
Mararamdaman mo sa dito.
Sige na, testimony. Hurry up. What do you have to say about ab swings? Ab swing without a S, sorry.
Sige, ikaw muna.
I don't know.
What do you not know, Ate Ging?
Because, first time pa lang, kaya wala pang abs.
Okay. What about you, Karen? Is it your first time to try that out?
Parang nararamdaman mo na
English?
I speak because
English, please, so that your audience from other countries would understand what you're saying.
No, I can't speak English.
You speak English,
You just spoke in English. Hurry up.
Speak English.
Sige, Tagalog na lang. We'll just translate it into English then.
I feel bad because I'm hungry.
Bakit? I feel bad.
The stomach.
Okay.
The stomach is ache.
Alright, well, that's all there is then. Thank you, Karen.
Joke lang yun.
And thank you, Ate Ging,
Yes,
for
thank you also.
being the models for the ab swing to ab machine. Thank you so much. You want to say goodbye to the cam? Okay,
Hello.
there we go. What about you, Ate Ging?
Bye-bye. Hello.
Bye.
No goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Patingin daw.